Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Master APKG3682020. This is a number 2 bottom pin. This is a package of number 2 bottom pins for use in, obviously, pin tumbler construction when it comes to master locks. There are 100 in this package. I don't know the length of a number 2 bottom pin. Let's take a look. .127 is what it's looking like on the caliper. We'll check our supporting documentation. I'm sure that it must occur in the tech manual. Yeah, .127 appears to be pretty accurate for an overall length of the pin. Okay. Diameter of the pin, I don't know, but let's measure that as well. .094. This is a green color. Not a lot to see on this pin. It's so small, but this video will at least serve as visual and dimensional evidence of what this pin is. I have worked on master material in the past and have I've learned that it's a fairly easy platform to work on. I did notice the first time, when I was shaving a cylinder open, I realized, boy, it took 20 seconds longer than I expected. Yeah, there's serrated driver pins in it. So let's switch to the screen view now and take a closer look at the supporting documentation. Okay, here is the item that we are looking at. APKG3682020, number 2 bottom pin. Not a lot to see here. Let's copy the part number and let's open up the link here to the manufacturer's page. Now, there is a technical manual, and I don't know if it's in it, but if it will be anywhere, it'll be in this document. So Control F and then pasting the part number does not reveal anything. But let's search for pin kit and let's see what we can come up with. We'll get to a page that has some master keying information on it. The 291, here's a pin kit on page 28. The 291 pin kit includes all tumbler and driver pins to repin master rekeyable locks. Parts included in the 291. I'm assuming this is in the 291. Plug extender. Let's take a look here. So the only reference to it is the parts other than what you expect are here. Also includes a wide assortment of retaining nuts, springs, and pins for rekeyable padlocks and ball bearings for edge key control products. So I'm going to say that this comes out of the 291. Let's take a closer look at a product manual or a product catalog I have here that's pretty old. And that doesn't reveal too much to us, except that I can see the 291 kit that's here. That again, just contains an extensive assortment of parts needed. However, doing a little bit of an extensive search online, we find that this is located in the American Lock division of what Master does. So Control F, APKG3682020. And when we search that, we're going to come right to the page where it's found. Rekeying parts. It's number 2 bottom pin is what it is. Let's see if they have a pin kit here. They don't. Let's try looking at the manufacturer page within our site. American Lock. Service manual. We got service kits on page 35. Let's go there. Yeah, so obviously APKG, it's got to be coming out of this APK-1 pin kit, would be my guess. Okay, APK-1. It shows up on that one page. Yeah, but not in the catalog, though, interestingly enough. Nor in the price list. Okay, so just in this service manual is where it shows up. Very interesting. All right. So, bottom pins 1 through 8, top pins, 100 each top pins. Obviously, there's only one size of top pin, I imagine. Anyway, this video has dragged on too long about a bottom pin. Let's wrap it up on camera. In conclusion, this video is just to show you what this material looks like and take you down a little bit of a rabbit hole in searching any supporting documentation, and we were able to find what was available. Any questions on the APKG3682020 number 2 bottom pin? It's definitely a green color, or any other Master or American Lock product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.